Hello, everyone. Welcome to Catherine's ESL Classroom. In today's lesson, we are going to go over words like very good and change very good to excellent. Do people ask you, how are you today? And you say, I'm good or very good, when you can say, I'm excellent? Wouldn't you like to learn other words other than saying very? So let's get started and learn some more. So as you'll see in today's lesson, we are going to replace very. Right? We are not going to say very anymore. Okay? So let's get started. I'm adding some little fire for you to remind you to replace very. And to also get you excited with some fireworks to expand your vocabulary. Learn new and exciting words to replace very smart, very nice, or very good. Instead of very expensive, say costly. You go to the store and you'll say, that is a very expensive shirt, when you can say, that is costly. That is a costly shirt. I know it's a little bit hard to remember, but today's lesson is to help you expand your vocabulary. Instead of very afraid, say fearful. I'm very afraid of that cat. Or I am fearful of that cat. See, that's a scaredy cat. Instead of very wicked, say villainous. Instead of saying, that is a very wicked actor, you can say, that is a villainous actor. Instead of very slow, say sluggish. See how that's a slug? Well, slugs are very slow. So now you can say, that car is very slow. You can say, that car is sluggish. Or you could say, I'm very slow today because I'm very tired. Or you can say, I am sluggish today because I'm exhausted. You see how I changed very slow to sluggish and very tired to exhausted? Did you catch that one? Instead of very loud, say deafening. For example, that music is very loud, or you could say that music is deafening. Oh, I'm getting deaf. Instead of very intelligent, say brilliant. You could say that student is very intelligent, or you could say that student is brilliant like a bulb. Did you like that one? Okay, so now we're going to do some challenges and get you very excited with fireworks. So let's take the challenge. Go. What word replaces very good? Think about it. Okay, what word replaces very good? Awful, basic, extreme, or excellent? Which one? Excellent. Very good or excellent. I'm very good today, or I'm excellent today. Are you? What word replaces very rich? What word replaces very rich? Poor, plenty, wealthy, or amusing? Wealthy. Did you get that correct? Is this getting too easy for you? Can you replace very nice? Think about it. Is it nasty, kind, irritating, or mean? Kind. See, she's very nice, or she's kind. She's very pretty. She is very pretty. She is horrible. She is handsome. She is beautiful, or she is obnoxious. Which one? Beautiful. She is very pretty. She is beautiful. So now you could say she is beautiful. Are there other words that you like instead of very pretty? Maybe elegant, or gorgeous. Those are other words you can say other than very pretty. What are other words you can say other than very pretty? Do you have one? Put it down in your comments. Let me know. He is very smart. He is very smart. He is cool, neat, brilliant, or average. Which one? He is very smart. He is brilliant. Do you have other words other than brilliant? Can you replace another word for very smart? Remember your synonyms. Synonyms, do you remember what a synonym is? It means the same or similar. Very smart could be intelligent. The car is very fast. Yes, the car is very fast. Yes, the car is wild, quick, dangerous, or rough. What should it be? The car is very fast. Yes, the car is quick. What is another word for quick or very fast? Speedy. Did you get that one? What other words are very fast? Can you name some more? We are very hungry. We are very hungry. We are full. We are drowsy. We are excited, or we are starving. Which one? We are very hungry. We are starving. Are you starving? Do you look in the refrigerator often and are very hungry? I study a lot because learning English is, what's another word for very difficult? I study a lot because learning is calm. I study a lot because learning is peaceful. I study a lot because learning is challenging. I study a lot because learning is grim. Challenging. I study a lot because learning is challenging. What is another word for very difficult? Or what is the synonym for very difficult other than challenging? What do you have? Put it down in your comments. Let me know what you have to say. I can't wait to go on vacation. I am, what's another word for very excited? I can't wait to go on vacation. I am ecstatic. I am miserable. I am unhappy. I am hopeless. Which one? I can't wait to go on vacation. I am ecstatic. Can everyone say that word? Ecstatic. That means very excited. What's another word or synonym for very excited? How about thrilled? I am thrilled. Do you have any more for me? He worked hard today. He's very tired. But what's another word for very tired? He worked hard today. He is elated. He worked hard today. He is exhausted. He worked hard today. He is bright. He worked hard today. He is delighted. Which one? Exhausted. He worked hard today. He is exhausted. What's the synonym for very tired? We have exhausted. What else do we have? Well done, everyone. Well, I hope you had a great time today learning other words than very. Very good, very well. Name some more for today, okay? Well, stay tuned for the next class. Have a great day. Bye.